Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets a bad rap: fats in our food. But are they really as bad as we think? Or could they actually be the secret ingredient to a longer and healthier life? Stay tuned as we uncover the truth about fats, from the healthiest options to the ones you should definitely avoid. Welcome to Vitasplania Health and Wellness, the channel where we use AI technologies to teach you anything and everything about health and wellness topics in under 15 minutes. I'm Alicia, your virtual AI avatar host. If you're ready to learn more about nutrition, exercise, health, and wellness, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We drop new videos every week, so stay tuned for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. As always, remember to consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or exercise routine. Now, back to our topic for today. What is the truth about fats? Are they a healthy part of a balanced diet, or just a one-way ticket to an early grave? Let's find out. Think of different fats like tools in a toolbox. Just like you need the right tools for the right job, your body needs different types of fats to function at its best. So what's the problem? Not all tools or fats are created equal. Some can help build a strong foundation, while others might slowly chip away at your health. In today's video, we're going to break down the following topics related to fats: what dietary fats are and why they matter, the good, the bad, and the ugly types of fats, how fats affect your cholesterol and heart health, some common myths surrounding fats and diets, and finally, tips for incorporating healthy fats into your daily meals and nutrition plan. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly are dietary fats? Fats, also known as triglycerides, are made up of two main components: glycerol and fatty acids. Glycerol is a 3-carbon molecule that serves as the backbone of a fat molecule. In triglycerides, each of these hydroxyl groups bonds with a fatty acid to form something called an ester linkage. Fatty acids are long chains of carbon and hydrogen atoms. They vary in length, usually between 4 and 24 carbons, and in the number and location of double bonds between the carbon atoms. These fats are one of the 3 main macronutrients, along with proteins and carbohydrates, that our bodies need for energy and other essential functions. They play a critical role in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, maintaining cell structure, and supporting brain health. But not all fats are the same. Understanding the difference between them is key to unlocking their health benefits. First, let's break down the different types of fats. There are 3 main categories: saturated fats, unsaturated fats, and trans fats. Saturated fats, typically found in animal products and some tropical oils, can raise your LDL cholesterol, often called the bad cholesterol. Unsaturated fats, which include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are considered good fats and are found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish. Trans fats, often found in processed and fried foods, are the worst offenders and have been linked to negative health outcomes like heart disease and inflammation. Now, let's talk about some of the health benefits of healthy fats. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are essential for brain function and heart health. Omega-3s, found in fish and flax seeds, help reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. Meanwhile, omega-6s, found in vegetable oils and nuts, help keep your skin and hair healthy. On the flip side, consuming too many unhealthy fats, especially trans fats, can increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and even type 2 diabetes. Trans fats not only raise your LDL cholesterol, but also lower your HDL, the good cholesterol. This double whammy makes them particularly harmful. Saturated fats, while not quite as bad as trans fats, should still be consumed in moderation. Armed with this information, we can now bust the most important myths about fats, which are that all fats are bad for you, or that low-fat diets are always the healthiest choice. In reality, eliminating fats altogether can lead to nutrient deficiencies and even weight gain as your body tries to compensate by storing more fat. The key is not to avoid all fats, but instead to choose the right ones to incorporate into your well-balanced diet. So, how do we go about making fats our dietary friend? Fats can be a powerful ally in your quest for a healthier lifestyle if you know how to choose the right ones and incorporate them wisely into your daily diet. Here are some practical tips to help you do just that. When it comes to cooking, opt for oils rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Olive oil is an excellent choice for most types of cooking, especially extra virgin olive oil, which is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Avocado oil is another fantastic option. It's high in monounsaturated fats, has a high smoke point, making it great for frying or grilling, and it contains vitamins like E and K that support skin health and cellular function. Replace butter or margarine in your recipes with these oils to cut down on saturated fats and boost your intake of healthy fats. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, make nuts and seeds your go-to snacks. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are particularly high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Walnuts, for example, are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also rich in omega-3s and can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Just a handful of these nutrient-dense snacks can keep you feeling full longer and stabilize your blood sugar levels. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout in your diet at least twice a week. These fish are among the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, better brain function, and lower levels of depression. If you're not a fan of fish, consider a high-quality fish oil supplement to ensure you're getting enough of these essential fats. Don't shy away from avocados. These fruits are a true superfood when it comes to healthy fats. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve heart health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol and raising good HDL cholesterol. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which can help with digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Spread avocado on toast, add slices to your salads, or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy texture. You can even use it as a substitute for butter in baking. Finally, always read food labels when shopping. Look out for hidden trans fats listed as partially hydrogenated oils, which are often found in processed and packaged foods. Even small amounts of trans fats can increase your risk of heart disease, so aim to eliminate them from your diet entirely if you can. Prioritize whole, minimally processed foods to keep unhealthy fats at bay. Let's recap what we learned. Today, we discovered that fats are not all created equal. Healthy fats, like those found in fish, nuts, and avocados, are crucial for heart and brain health. Meanwhile, unhealthy fats, especially trans fats, should be avoided. We also busted some myths about fats and discussed how to incorporate more healthy fats into your diet. Remember, the key to a nutritious diet isn't cutting out all fats, it's choosing the right ones. That wraps up our session on fats for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about nutrition, exercise, fitness, and mental well-being, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We post new content every single week. Also remember to check out the video description for links to more resources, books, and courses on nutrition and health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.